Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, when I'm filming this, an Arctic blast is about to hit the UK, and I'm so cold already that I've got this thick woolly jumper on. And what better time than now to make a spiced hot chocolate? Now, I love this hot chocolate because it uses excellent quality cocoa, or chocolate in fact. It uses mixed peppercorns, which I'm going to tell you about a little bit later, and it's luscious and thick without the need to add any cream or anything like that. So if this sounds good to you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button, tell all your friends about me, and then let's get bubbling. I bought dark chocolate at Borough Market, and you can snack on it. It is really delicious, but it's great for hot chocolate, brings richness to it, makes it feel incredibly special, and you just want to chop it up into tiny little shreds. It kind of falls away quite easily, to be honest with you, when you use a sharp knife. So just break it up into little bits. You can, of course, use cocoa powder if you prefer, but do please try and get some decent cocoa, because the farmers who actually grow the cocoa don't tend to do very well out of chocolate that we buy. So it's worth having a think about that, and it tastes way better too. I'm using mixed peppercorns because they have a more mellow way about them. Some proper Ceylon cinnamon. So I'm just going to break off 2 sticks like this to put in. And really nice green cardamom, which you just want to gently crush. You don't want to use cream in hot chocolate. Whole milk is absolutely fine. Make sure you buy some nice quality whole milk, and then pop in those crushed cardamoms, the mixed peppercorns, and the cinnamon sticks. The thing about spiced hot chocolate is you really need to get those spices to bubble with the milk, to infuse it with their flavor, and bring that to a boil before you then tip in the chopped up chocolate and whisk it. I've got this lovely cute little whisk, but you want to stir that in when the milk is bubbling until it just gently melts into the milk, basically. A note about the pan as well. I've got a heavy bottom stainless steel pan here, and you want to keep moving the milk along so it doesn't stick to the bottom, because you are using a sort of medium bubble here, which I've now switched off. Strain it into your mug. I should tell you that this is about 300 ml of milk and about 35 grams of decent quality chocolate, and you've seen how much pepper and spices I've used. I filed this recipe for Borough Market, so the link is in the description for you. It's so thick you might have to use a whisk like I am to get it through. And that's really it, folks. It's that simple. If you have good quality spices, lovely milk, great chocolate, you really don't need much more. Enjoy, and see you for the next video.